Hello, so as you've seen in the thumbnail or right now, this is a look I'll be creating. It is for my Instagram. The link's in the description below, feel free to follow me. So if you want to see how I created this cutie patootie right here, then keep watching. I've already done my base so that this video isn't going to be super boring. Also, excuse my voice, it might get a bit deep and manly. I think I'm getting sick, so hooray for me. To bronze, I'm going to be using my Australis contouring palette and a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using this shade here, the most orange warm tone shade. I'm going to do kind of an extreme bronze just so that it shows up in the photos. Oh, it's really hot in here. I'm melting. Now that I've bronzed, I'm going to contour and blush. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Contour, I mean. I'm going to use another fat brush, but this one has kind of an edge to it. And again, I'm going to do it kind of a bit too much, just so that it shows up in the pictures. Again, snatch this snatch this jaw. For blush, I like to use a brush like this. It has a lot of movement, as you can see, it's very loose. For highlighter, I'm going to use this blue duochrome. I'm not going to show it though because I didn't know at the time, but I think it's a knockoff. But I didn't know that it was even an original thing, like I just bought it because I was like, oh, that looks cool. Ooh, please tell me you can see that. Because I'm kind of winging this, it's not really a tutorial, so I'm just going to talk about other random crap while I do the makeup. And I'll kind of talk about what I'm doing a bit, but I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm going to need my headband for this part. Fashion. Serious time. Sleeves up. So, time to fuck up some cheap brushes with face paint. Let's see what happens. So first, I'm going to put down some white on my forehead. And this is going to make the paints I'm going to put on top stand out more. Beautiful. Got some pink on here. So since this is not really a tutorial, because I'm winging it, I figured I could talk about random things. And in my social media space, whatever, like I'm obviously into makeup. And what's going on in the makeup community right now? James, Charles and Tati. Surprise, surprise. I watched Tati and I've watched her for years now. I've never really watched James, never really had an opinion on him. Just sucks what happened to him, I guess, because from his most recent video, he seems to have proven that everything was not true. Every star tore him a new one and then just took it back. But it's already damaged him. James Charles' reputation is already damaged. Like, imagine being accused of something that's not true, yet your career and your reputation is really affected by it. Or because people just wanted drama and tea and receipts. I'm not being very eloquent. There's a bird outside. Hey birdie. Who cares? And everyone needs to stop hating on everyone. Everyone needs to stop being so rude and mean and horrible. So now I'm going to go into the orange. James Charles is still a person. He still has feelings. He's only young. Like, he's younger than me. You know, like, he has feelings. And obviously he hurt Tati's feelings. But then a lot of the stuff that she said turned out to not be true. And I watch her, I like her, so I personally don't think she's lying, but she wasn't right. All that drama, it's crazy. Anywho, another topic we can talk about is, I don't know. Okay, I think I'm liking the faded look because I don't know how bright I'm going to get this blue. So if this is faded, the blue's faded, it looks intentional. Okay, now that I've got sunburn on my forehead, I'm going to work on the water. No, the sun. I need to do the sun. Why is there black in this brush? Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Oh, that's too dark. Cut it out. Uh-oh. Oh no. What is that? Where's the brush? Where's the brush? Get out of here. Okay, lightning drops. I'm going to draw where I want the water to be. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. Just going to use a big ass brush. Some drops. Get some wave action going on here. I'm going to set this with baby powder instead of my face powder so that it stays white. Boo. Do you like my slippers? Can you see? Oh shit, they're polar bears. Was that an earthquake? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Baby powder. So ages ago I did a full face like galaxy alien kind of look, and I used this blue, so it's kind of so now I'm going to go into the Misunderstood palette by Colourpop and Disney, and I'm going to go into this dark blue here called Fates. Now I'm going to work on the eyes a little bit, so I'm going to take just a crease brush, that dark blue shade again from the Misunderstood Colourpop palette. I'm going to add some of that highlight on as well because I really want it to shine in the sunlight. Even though it's cloudy as heck outside, so I don't know how I'm going to get a good picture today. So, I need to get my white eyeliner, Colourpop. So if you're creating this look at home for, you know, date night or something, or just a walk at the park, purposely make the line a bit uneven so it looks like the edge of waves. Just so it looks more natural, you know? You don't want it to look like you're wearing any makeup, God forbid. Boys can't know you wear makeup. And a few little beep boops around the place. Little boop, little beep. So I'm doing this look because my friend requested it on Instagram when I asked what look I should do next. He said, do a turtle. So if you have any ideas, comment here on YouTube, go to my Instagram, follow me, and also comment, and who knows, I might do a look. This is taking so long. For some seaweed over here, I'm going to be using my NYX Vivid Brights. Oh wow, look at me go. Oh my god. My brother just woke up and the first thing he wants to do is eat chips. You can hear him chewing from here. I'm going to go into the Misunderstood palette and I'm going to use the shade, the black, called 101. And we're going to start drawing a turtle. Ooh, that's a good flipper. There's the outline of our turtle. Cute. So earlier I drew a turtle on a piece of paper to practice it. I find that really helps before you try and draw it on your face because drawing on your face is hard. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, I'm almost done. Oh my gosh. I've been here for so long. Here is Voiceover Shania for the first time ever because I forgot to speak during this part. So as you can see, I'm just doing mascara, black and white mascara, I'm also doing some inner corner highlight using the same highlight as before. And then I do my lips, so I line them with a W7 lip liner and I apply some e.l.f. lip oil on top. And there we go. There we have it. There's my turtle. What should we name him? Leave a comment below if you can think of a name. So far I'm thinking Wurtle the turtle because it rhymes, but I'm sure you'll come up with something better than that. If you want to see these pictures, look at the thumbnail, or you can follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, subscribe. That's a good idea. Have a good day and I'll see you next time. It's gonna be a bitch to edit. Fashion. Okay. Look, he's swimming. I'm gonna pick up this bright pink. Oh no, there's some black in there. Don't want that.